Welcome to the Project Day 2021, presented by the Resource Department. The topic chosen for this year is multiple intelligence. The multiple intelligence theory was created by Dr. Howard Gardner, a professor of education at Harvard University in 1983. It challenges the then dominant belief that only linguistic and mathematical skills can define a person's intelligence. Instead, Dr. Gardner proposed 8 different skill sets that grasp the full scope of a child's ability. One of the main reasons that Gardner's learning styles can lead to more effective teaching strategies is because the approach is better at reaching children with disabilities.
What is the theory of multiple intelligence? Multiple intelligences refers to a theory describing the different ways students learn and acquire information. These multiple intelligences range from the use of words, numbers, pictures and music, importance of social interactions, introspection, physical movement and being in tune with nature.
The theories of multiple intelligence. Linguistic intelligence. Description: listens and responds to the spoken word, enjoys reading, writing and discussing, remembers what has been said and read, speaks and writes effectively. Tasks and activities: reading, writing, journal writing, speaking, letter writing, storytelling, creative writing, debating, persuading.
Logical intelligence. Description: familiar with the concepts of quantity, time and cause and effect. Uses abstract symbols to represent concrete objects and concepts. Likes math and using technology to solve complex problems. Tasks and activities: analyzing, categorizing, formulas, logic games, problem solving, patterns, reasoning, timeline, sequencing, rational and scientific thinking, and Venn diagrams.
Musical intelligence. Description: listens and responds with interest to a variety of sounds and organizes such sounds into meaningful patterns. Eager to be around and learn from music and musicians, develops the ability to sing or play an instrument. Tasks and activities: singing, creating chants or concept songs, instrumental sounds, music composition or performance, percussion and raps, reproduce sounds and rhythms, vocal sounds and tonal patterns.
Kinesthetic intelligence. Description: prefers to touch, handle or manipulate what is to be learned. Develops coordination and a sense of timing. Learns best by direct involvement and participation. Remembers most clearly what was done rather than what was said or observed. Tasks and activities: acting, charades, demonstrations, gymnastics, impersonation, martial arts, miming, puppetry, exercise.
Spatial visual intelligence. Description: learns by seeing and observing, recognizes faces, objects, shapes, colors, details and scenes, thinks in pictures and visualizes detail, uses visual images as an aid in recalling information, enjoys doodling, drawing, painting and sculpting. Tasks and activities: brochures, collages, designs, drawings and paintings, modeling clay, photography, sculpting, visualization, sketching and labeling.
Interpersonal intelligence. Description: bonds with parents and interacts with others. Forms and maintains social relationships. Perceives thoughts, feelings, motivations, behaviors and lifestyles of others, expresses an interest in careers such as teaching, social work, counseling, management, or politics. Tasks and activities: understanding others' feelings, person to person communication, group projects, teaching someone else something new, acting in a play or simulation, conducting an interview, sensing others' motives.
Intrapersonal intelligence. Description: aware of his range of emotions, motivated to identify and pursue goals, works independently, establishes and lives by an ethical value system, strives for self-actualization. Tasks and activities: autobiography, concentration, goal setting, independent study, thinking strategies, expression of feelings.
Naturalistic intelligence. Description: recognizes and can name many different types of trees, flowers, and plants, has an interest and good knowledge of how the body works and abreast of health issues, is conscious of tracks, nests, and wildlife on a walk and can read weather signs, has an understanding of the main global environmental issues. Tasks and activities: planting, gardening, ecological studies, animal care, nature walks, camping, field trips, and nature collections.
By applying the theory of multiple intelligences in the classroom, educators take into consideration the different types of learners they might have in their class, reinforce all types of intelligences in every student, and allow for an individual learning process that would ultimately enable each learner to utilize his or her specific abilities and demonstrate learning.
The theory of multiple intelligence is a theory that really hits home with the thought process that we all are born with our own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to intelligence. This theory gives time to nurture and develop intelligences, to discover strengths and put more effort into improving weaknesses.